Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a chicken wing, chicken balls, and dirty fries mukbang. I am ravenous. I've got some iced tea. Homemade iced tea, guys. How amazing. And I also got some kimchi, and I have some nacho cheese sauce to dip in my wings. So they might be a bit too hot. Let's have one of these. Chicken. I love these. Didn't get tea towel all the time. So how's everyone been today? Let me try one. It might be. They're hot and spicy wings as well. I'm so hungry, guys. They're very hot. I need to wait for them to cool down. I am going to get a tea towel, guys. Wait a second. Right, guys, and this iced tea is everything. I made it myself. Honestly, guys, it is so good. So let's have some dirty fries. Yummy. So good. Oh, battery. Oh, and I've also got some coleslaw here as well. So, how is everyone today? Come true. Let me put a little tea towel for this so it doesn't get messy. These are so good. So let's try it with the nacho sauce. Very spicy. Very spicy. Whew. Also got some water too because of the heat. Everything's quite spicy today. Oh. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Sorry, that was the time for the food. I just love dirty fries, guys. Oh, shit. Look at this. Do you want a bite? Go on, take a bite. Amazing. That's the happy dance that I do when I'm hungry. I just love wings, guys. I really do. These chicken balls. Are they chicken balls? I don't like saying balls. So, So guys, I wanted to talk to you about the latest drama in the YouTube community. Exciting. What is that? So guys, I wanted to talk to you about the latest YouTube drama that's been going on. So what's happened is, I couldn't believe this. A YouTuber called Brooke Houts. She is an American YouTuber. She, you know, heavily features her dog in her mukbangs. Her mukbangs, she shouldn't do mukbangs. In her videos. And she accidentally forgot to edit out this kind of clip of her and her dog. And, you know, oh my God, I don't want to talk about it when I'm eating, but it's got to be, you know, addressed. She was abusing her dog in the video. Could not believe it. So basically what she was doing, she was spitting on the dog. Apparently I saw she was hitting the dog. I could not believe my eyes. I couldn't believe it. Honestly. I've never seen anything like it. And, you know, she published a statement saying that she was sorry. You know, this dog was I can't remember what dog it was. It was kind of a scary kind of. A dog with kind of a reputation to be scary. And she denied having any abuse with the dog. She denied it all. She said, no, nothing happened. My dog needs to be trained, which I understand completely. Definitely train a dog, but spitting on the dog. I could not. I mean, if you get to watch the video, you know, I just could not believe it. Horrific treatment. Horrific. Could you see the dirty fries, guys? There we go. I mean, I'm thinking, if she can do that on camera and forget to edit it out, then what else is she successfully editing out? I mean, it's absolutely, it's really scary, guys. Really scary. But, you know, I think take the dog away, take her away and take her to prison, because doing that to a dog, a poor innocent dog, and especially when her whole channel is dedicated to this dog. I think it is anyway. Horrific. Look at it. It's unforgivable, guys. It really is. getting full, guys. It's just not acceptable behaviour. These fries are very filling, guys. Very filling. Guys, it was just horrific behaviour. For someone who has a dog, who's a loving kind of person, to do that to the dog, and it wasn't even kind of discipline, it was downright kind of, you know, hitting him. The venom and the viciousness in her eyes, it was horrific. You know, it needs to be stopped. It really does. So, yeah, that's basic YouTube drama. What else? It's not been much, really. But I mean, I'd never heard of this YouTuber until she kind of did this video. Just crazy, guys. I'm getting quite full now. But it's crazy. I love these dirty fries. It's just, they're the best. They really are. This kimchi is just... It's not too potent. It's not too... It's not garlicky at all, actually. You know I don't like garlic. I don't know if I want one more of these. I'm getting really, really full. I'll leave those. Just have a bit more of this. This is just amazing. It's so creamy, cheesy. I'm very full, though. Very, very full. So, guys, what would you like me to eat next? I mean, I'd love to do like Papa John's or something. Or more kind of spaghetti dishes, you know, because of my heritage, being half Italian. Anything you want, let me know. I've done pretty well, guys, haven't I? Whew. I won't be eating for the rest of the day now because that's what I generally do. I kind of fast and then I eat this. Oh, I saw Frilly the Banana Girl. I used to watch her a long, long time ago. And she was, you know, she was in the, you know, in her game, really. And she's doing kind of exposing videos now. Not exposing, but, you know, kind of drama. Wonder if she got that idea of Nikocado Avocado. I mean, she's done a new one on Nick. She's very brutal. God knows what she'd think of me chomping on a flipping chicken wing. God. I just don't know if I believe that, you know, eating too much fruit is bad for you. Sugar is bad. It's sugar. It rots teeth. Nikocado said his teeth were rotting away. I think it's true that she fell out. I don't think it's healthy. I think we are designed to eat meat. We are, because we're animals. You know. Oh, God. I'm full. I tend to stick with kind of white meat, chicken. Because it's less fattening. But, yeah. do think the vegan thing is actually dying a bit now, you know. Divine Munchie, she's doing her own thing, eating meat, and I think people are realising that it's actually not that healthy to just eat plants and raw vegetables and whatever. So guys, thank you so much for joining me for this mukbang. I'm going to now lay down on the floor and just pass out. I'm so full. Please let me know what you want me to do next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm so full.